Welcome back in another video. Mbaniriza mu video yaffe endala eyonaku olwaleero. So don't forget, if you're new to this channel, please you can subscribe, like and share my videos. Here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Wantuyiga olulimi oluzungu n'Oluganda mu bwangu. So in this video we're going to look at common phrases to know. Common phrases to know. And we said phrases to know in Luganda tugamba emboozi z'okumanya. Once again, phrases to know. Emboozi z'okumanya. Okay. Number one, we have I am renting in Katua. So Katua is a place. I am renting in Katua. So I am renting in Katua in Luganda. We say inze impangisa. So to rent in Luganda is okupangisa. So renting is impangisa mu Katua. So I am renting in Katua. In Luganda, it is inze, because you're talking about yourself. I, inze, impangisa, mukatua. So katua is just a place. So inze impangisa, mukatua. You can put your location. Inze impangisa mukatwe, inze impangisa mu gayaza. So I am renting in Katua is inze impangisa mu Katua. How much do you pay? Someone asks, how much do you pay? Once again, how much do you pay? In Luganda, it is osasula mmeka. Osasula mmeka. So how much do you pay? For instance, you ask your friend, osasula mmeka. Osasula mmeka. So you want to know the price he or she is paying. And she can reply, or he can reply by, I pay $25 every month. Once again, I pay $25 every month, or any amount. For instance, I pay $500 every month. So I pay $25 every month. This in Luganda is insasula. I pay insasula $25 buli mwezi. Every month is buli mwezi. Once again, I pay $25 every month. In Luganda, it's going to be insasula $25 buli mwezi. So buli mwezi is every month in English. Good. Oh, that's very expensive. Someone says, oh, that's very expensive. Oh, echonga chabei. So something expensive is chabei. So, oh, echonga chabei. Oh, that's very expensive. Expensive kitegeza echintu echebei. So, oh, echonga chabei. All together. Oh, and he can say, I have nothing to do. So you have no solution. You say, I have nothing to do. I have nothing to do. Peter, I have nothing to do. And this in Luganda is inze sirina chakola. Are we together? Inze sirina chakola. I have nothing to do. Inze sirina chakola. Inze sirina chakola. What if you look for another place? So it's an alternative. A friend of yours tells you, what if you look for another place? Once again, what if you, they're telling you, what if you look for another place? Are we together? What if you look for another place? Someone says, olaba otya wononya ekifo ekirala. What if? Olaba otya wononya ekifo ekirala. It's like a suggestion. What if you look for another place? Olaba otya wononya ekifo ekirala. Are we together? It's someone's suggestion. Olaba otya wononya ekifo ekirala. And you reply, I will think about it. Are we together? I will think about it. I will think about it. Don't worry. I will think about it. And in Luganda, tugamba, inja kuchirowozaako. Inja kuchirowozaako. So, will you think about it? Inja kuchirowozaako. I will think about it. Inja kuchirowozaako. Number 8. There are many places. Another alternative. There are many places. There are many places in Nansana. There are many places in Katua. You can look for another place. And this in Luganda is waliwo ebifo bingi. Many places. Ebifo bingi. Waliwo ebifo bingi. And you reply, you call me when you are ready. Once again, you call me when you are ready. Please, you call me when you are ready. And in Luganda, tugamba, ompita inga wetegese. Someone calling you okwita. So, ompita inga wetegese. So, you call me when you are ready. Ompita inga wetegese. Yes, I will call you. I will call you. Once again, yes, I will call you. And I will call you, mu Luganda tugamba, inja kuita. Inja kuita. I will call you. Inja kuita. For example, I will call you at dinner. Inja kuita kuchagulo. Are we together? Okay, so those were some of the 10 phrases for you to know today. Ezo zezimu kumbozi zokumanya olunaku olwaleero. Don't forget that online classes, and if you want to join my online classes, don't forget to WhatsApp on the number that is displayed below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Webale nnyo kulaba video yaffe ey'olunaku olwaleero. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Welaba.